HELI internal combustion tractors. G Series 2 to 3 ton internal combustion tractor. The truck with intelligent automatic shift gearbox has high reliability. The truck adopts special integrated low-noise vane pump and offers better comfort. Bladder-type accumulator has high safety. Central axle holding parking brake is easy for maintenance. Hyperbola brake valve realizes stable brake. 2-point operation traction pin device. G Series 3 to 3.5 ton internal combustion tractor. Optimized transmission device has low noise and strong power. 2-point operation traction pin device. The truck features small steering radius and good trafficability. Double chamber and double circuit vacuum assisted braking offers more sensitive braking. G Series 4 to 5 ton internal combustion tractor. The truck is assembled with strengthened top transmission box. Excellent frame rigidity and torsional rigidity ensure the traction and pushing operation of the tractor. Fixed calipered brake has better safety. The truck has better heat balance cooling effect. G Series 3 to 3.5 ton internal combustion tractor. Full hydraulic horizontal placed cylinder powered steering. Bladder type accumulator has high safety. Integrated double gear pump with constant current valve has independent brake and steering circuit and high safety factor. Pushing down type traction mechanism with self-locking function.